Welcome to our premium SUV tyre showdown. After 5 years of ruling the touring sector with the Turanza T005, Bridgestone has unveiled its brand new Turanza 6. Michelin's Pilot Sport 4 SUV on the other hand, it's already a fan favourite, winning numerous tests over the last 4 years. Today, we are comparing these two top contenders to see which one deserves a spot on your SUV. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance. The Pilot Sport 4 SUV stops 3.1 meters shorter than the Turanza 6, making it a 6% advantage in braking. In wet handling, Michelin is about 0.4 km/h faster, making it 1% better in lap speed. In straight aquaplaning, Michelin maintains a slipping speed lead of 7 km/h, equating to a 7% improvement. Michelin clearly outperforms Bridgestone in every wet category. When it comes to dry, the Pilot Sport 4 SUV stops 2 meters earlier in dry braking, giving it a 4% advantage. In dry handling, Michelin is about 0.9 km/h faster, leading by 1%. Michelin takes the lead again, but the gap is much closer than in wet conditions. When it comes to noise, the Turanza 6 is 0.5 decibel louder, making it 1% noisier than the Pilot Sport 4 SUV. While in rolling resistance, Bridgestone fights back with a clear win in rolling resistance, showing 14% lower rolling resistance coefficient than Michelin. For those prioritizing fuel efficiency, Turanza 6 is a better choice. When it comes to price, despite being from an ultra-high performance segment, the Pilot Sport 4 SUV is cheaper than the touring class Turanza 6, making Bridgestone 1% more expensive. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV wins in wet, dry and noise performance. On the other hand, the Turanza 6 excels in rolling resistance.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.